So I discovered a really interesting problem when using the S25 Ultra here, and that was connecting to this particular SanDisk SSD. Now, this is an SSD I've used with my iPhone 15 Pro Max and the 16 Pro Max many times. So it was very surprising when I went to plug it in and nothing happened. It's supposed to show up in notifications that it actually connected, and I'm supposed to be able to see it in the file manager. None of that is happening. It just doesn't show up at all. And I know it's not just the drive because if I take my iPhone here and plug that in and go to the Files app and go back to Browse here, look, there's my GXT projects and I can see all that right here, see all my projects and stuff like that. So the SSD works. It also shows up on my Mac too, but it just won't show up on the S25 Ultra. Now, what makes this all almost weirder is that if I take this other SanDisk drive, that's like a 4 terabyte Extreme Pro, so an even faster drive, this one connects to the S25 Ultra and it actually shows up. Look, there it is already. And I can access everything that is in here. So the better drive works, and the other one is still a superior technology to the actual S25's port because this is a USB-C 3.2 Gen 1. This smaller drive is a Gen 2, and then this one is a Gen 2 2X, which I don't even really know what that exactly means. But yeah, there should be no reason this drive doesn't show up, but it just doesn't. And it does also show up on the iPhone, but I actually remember in the past trying to use this with my 15 Pro Max and it wouldn't connect. So I don't know if that's something they changed with the 16 or maybe this finally got just a software update to support it. But I remember at one point the 4 terabyte one wouldn't work on iPhone. So I don't know what's going on here. If you guys know why this smaller drive may not be connecting with my S25 Ultra, please let me know in the comments down below. I am very confused. If you're wondering, I did check the format of the drives. It is just in regular exFAT. They're both in the same format too, which makes it even more confusing. I'm using the same cord. I've eliminated many of the variables. I don't even know what else to try. So I would definitely like to know the answer because my idea was to be able to use that drive between the Samsung phone and the iPhone to share footage and stuff like that. And it'd be really annoying if I could not do that.